Open Documents. Open My Games. Open the Capcom folder. Open the Resident Evil 4 folder. Select the configuration file, right-click it, move your mouse to Open With and choose Notepad. Change variable framerate to 30 and click on File and click on Save. Open the game, go to Help and Options. Go to Options. Select Video Settings. You can lower the resolution and press Enter and Enter again. Scroll down. In Texture Quality, change to the original and press Enter. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other solution you need? Tell me in the comments.